हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड आज का वीडियो जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं एक क्लाउड क्रीम का है। बहुत सारे मेरे फैंटास्टिक ने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि मैं एक क्लाउड क्रीम स्लाइम बनाऊँ, और या एक क्लाउड स्लाइम बना के बहुत टाइम हो चुका है। सो या आई थॉट ऑफ डूइंग दैट। एंड आज मैं बहुत सारे कलर्स मिक्स करके एक क्लाउड क्रीम बनाने वाली हूँ आपके लिए। सो मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब एंड मेक श्योर यू हिट द लाइक बटन, and don't forget we have hashtag 50k goal on like my birthday project, kind of like it would be like super fun and super surprising if you guys can complete 50k until my birthday, which is on 23rd April. So please guys, please subscribe and make sure like we can get to like 50k. We are almost 34k now. So yeah, please make sure you guys are subscribed. And yeah, that's all. And now let's see the video. And for that we need to have a bowl. So yeah, let's take a bowl. So we have our bowl finally. And हम लोग जो ग्लो यूज करेंगे वो है फेविकॉल. Let's take some फेविकॉल. सो गाइस, वी हैव आर फेविकॉल. अब इस रेसिपी में हम लोग को बिल्कुल भी वाटर यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. सो दिस इज अ वेरी थिक स्लाइम कंसिस्टेंसी, और इसके लिए हमें सिर्फ ग्लू चाहिए. सो नाउ हमारा ग्लू पूरा आ चुका है. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एड अ लिटिल एसेंशियल ऑयल टू सेंट आवर स्लाइम. एंड दिस इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज लाइक, दिस इज जस्ट अ फ्लावरी सेंट. लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज, बट ये मेरे ग्रोसरी स्टोर में था. सो आई रियली लाइक्ड इट स्मेल. So I just thought it would be a very nice scent for the slime. So yeah, I took it, and this is one of the flowery scent. I don't know what it is actually, but yeah, it smells really good, you guys. Like, it smells amazing. So now we are going to add this into our slime, like this much. Not a lot, but this much. And now we are going to add the colors. We will mix everything at the same time. Now I'm going to add a little bit of every color, and now I'm just going to pick randomly, and I'm going to add like literally every color. So just enjoy the color. Yeah, let's just add a little bit of everything. A little bit of blue and a little bit of green as well. I don't know which color it would turn, but see which color it will turn out. And let's mix everything. Oh my god, you guys. Let's add a little bit of yellow and see if that would change anything. I really don't know what is happening here, guys. So like, it is turning into a little worse color. I don't know. This color is not bad, but for a slime it is a bit weird. So I am just continuously going to add more and more color until it becomes anything better. Let's add some purple, because you know, purple is a very nice color and I love purple. So let's see. I don't know, at this moment, like, I'm just playing with the slime now. Like, let's see which color it happens. So yeah, this is the color. Oh my god, it is turning into gray. Oh my god. It's just, oh my god, you guys can see the color of the slime. I don't know what should I do. Should I add a little bit of red or something? Let's just add and see what happens. So I have added red as well. It's just turning into some violet shade, I don't know, but this is a very nice color. At least it's not looking that nasty. It is pretty nice. It is a purple slime. So yeah guys, this is the color I guess. You guys can see the color difference. हमारा slime का color किधर से किधर पहुंच गया guys. It has so much of color. Oh my god. And now I am going to add a little bit of glitter as well. This golden glitter. Let's add. Let's just add everything. It looks amazing right now. Oh my god. But it does disappear like there's nothing. Oh my god. But we can see the glitter a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes, I guess. So let's mix. Now it is the time to add the main ingredient. You guys can add anything, lotion, and if you guys want to experiment, but I need to like follow the recipe word to word. So yeah, add the fake snow, and now I'm going to add this fake snow. If you guys want any product that I used in this video, you guys can check out in the description. First link in the description, click that link and you guys will find everything. And if you guys go even down in the description, you guys will see individual links. So yeah, that will be helpful. You guys can just click that and buy it from there. Yeah, now I'm going to add this fake snow into the slime. और मैं इसको activate नहीं कर रही, मैं इसको direct ऐसे ही डालने वाली हूँ. And yeah, let's see what happens. I have never used just the raw fake snow. I have always added water in it, but yeah, let's see how this works out. So yeah, I am adding just this much, I guess. Yeah, I hope it's not too much. So yeah, just covering top of the slime, and let's mix. You guys need to mix very well. We need to have a dough-like consistency, just like this. You should not have very big clumps. Like small clumps should be okay, but you should not have a very big clump. And I think that's it. Now this is time to activate our slime. So I'm just using normal Borax activator. You guys can see the measurements over here. And yeah, let's start activating, I guess. Let's pour a little by little. The snow in the slime is also activating, so it will be harder to activate, but you need to just go on. क्योंकि fake snow slime को बहुत ज़्यादा deactivate करती है, तो you just need to go on and on with the activator. So yeah, just like this. Let's fast forward. So fantastic. As you guys can see, our cloud cream is finally activated, and it is a little bit overactivated, and I did it because I did it intentionally. I overactivated this intentionally. The the fake snow will eventually make it eventually melt it super badly. So that's why I as you guys can see, as I'm playing, it is melting again. So we need to let it sit for at least 4-5 hours before playing it, and it will set into a super nice cloud cream just like this, as you guys can see. Oh my god, it is so stretchy, you guys. So मैं अभी इसको 3-4 घंटे के लिए सेट होने रखूंगी, एंड वील सी आफ्टर 4 hours कि ये कैसी बनी है एंड ये कैसी दिख रही है. Right now it is literally amazing. You guys can see there's no fallout at all. It is such a nice textured slime. Oh my god, you guys. And yeah, अब हम लोग इसको ऐसे ही सेट होने के लिए रख देंगे. In 1 second I'll show you guys how it turned out. So yeah, let's see. So fantastic. It has been 3-4 hours और हमारी स्लाइम ऐसे दिख रही है. एंड मैंने वाइट बैकग्राउंड इसीलिए लगाया ताकि मैं आपको ये स्लाइम का असली टेक्सचर दिखा सकूं. As you guys can see, it is super creamy. Oh my god, you guys, how creamy it is and how stretchy it is. Oh my god, you guys, it also spreads like a buttercream, like a butter slime. You guys can see it has amazing texture. You can also literally spread this like this. It is super spreadable, and you can stretch it as well. There is literally almost no fallout, you guys. This looks amazing.